Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solutions for Confluence Marketplace, and as we know, that is the best OAuth and OIDC SSO solution available in the market. So, in this video, we are going to set up Confluence Single Sign-on with Azure B2C using OpenID protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Confluence dashboard, and click on the setting icon on the top right corner and select Manage Apps option. Go to Find New Apps. You can search here for add-ons in Atlassian Marketplace. Go to the Search tab and type OAuth SSO and press Enter. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policy and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. And after activation of the license key, click on miniOrange OAuth Client. Now you are on Configure OAuth tab. We will be covering Azure B2C setup here. You can also go through the setup on this guide. Here you will get step-by-step instructions. So, firstly we are configuring Azure B2C as OpenID provider. Go to the Azure portal and log in with your credentials. In the search bar, type Azure B2C, and select Azure AD B2C. In the left menu, select App Registrations. Click on New Registration. Enter the application name. You will find the redirect URI in the plugin, which is used to tell the OAuth provider where to send the token after authentication. Copy it and paste it in the given field. Click on Register. Application ID and tenant ID will be displayed. Now let's set up Confluence's OAuth client. Go to Configure OAuth tab. As earlier, we have selected Azure B2C as an application. Copy the application ID from the application, and paste it in the client ID in the plugin. Copy the tenant ID from the application, and paste it in the tenant ID in the plugin. Go to Certificates and Secrets from the application, and click on New Client Secret. Enter the description and select the expiring time. Click on Add. Copy this client secret and paste it in the client secret in the plugin. Enter the scope as OpenID, to sign in the user, and get data about the user in the form of ID tokens. Logout endpoint is optional. Click on Save. Now you can see OAuth settings updated message. Scroll down and click on Test Configuration, and you can see successful test configuration here, along with the name and email ID. After successful test connection, you will get the SSO button on the Confluence login page now. Click on Use OAuth Login button and you will be redirected to Azure login page for OAuth authentication. Now enter your Azure B2C credentials, and click on Sign In button. You will be successfully logged into your Confluence dashboard using Azure B2C credentials. Go to the user profile to check the user data, and you can see the user's email ID here. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.